I'm Lowri from the IET and welcome to First LEGO League Junior. We're so excited that you've registered for Boomtown Build, and whatever capacity you feel that you're able to deliver the programme, these videos are just to help you along the way, give you some tips and show you what you should be focusing on in each session. So whether you're running a programme at home or in school, use this as you need to. So pause, rewind, fast forward, whatever helps you. We know that in the current situation, normal rules don't apply. So whether your team is 2 siblings at home or a larger group of children at school, or whether you're running multiple teams, it's all great. And we're just really, really happy that hopefully the children will be learning some new skills and having lots of fun along the way. Session 5 is called Make It Environmentally Friendly. So a really important part of architecture that we want the children to start thinking about, and then they can incorporate what they've learned into their final Boomtown model. So they'll be exploring what makes buildings environmentally friendly and what that means, and also developing the idea of impact, which is one of the core values that's really, really important. So the impact that they could have, their ideas and their solutions could have a real impact on their community. Really lovely ideas again in the warm-up and explore section, so lovely questions for you to be able to ask the children to engage and inspire them and explore the ideas of what makes things environmentally friendly. May and Marco love nature. They are proud that Boomtown has some environmentally friendly buildings. These are buildings that help keep Earth healthy. Their school is an example. It has a garden on the roof. It also has solar panels. How do these things help the school? How do they help May and Marco? What are some more ways to make a building environmentally friendly? Now there are some really lovely tips here in the team meeting guide for you to explore with the children to start thinking about other ways of making buildings environmentally friendly. Now, in their 2 groups, May's group are going to build and program a model of a wind turbine using the WeDo. So following the cooling fan model within the WeDo app, again, details in the team meeting guide about what to follow and how to find it, they will create a wind turbine. Once they've created that, have them think about ways they can improve on it. They will program it to make it spin, but maybe they can make it spin faster. And what happens if the wind turbine spins faster? What happens when the wind turbine spins at all? What does it create? Maybe they can make it spin for longer. Maybe they can make it spin, then stop, then spin, then stop. Lots of ways for them to be developing their coding solutions. They can take what they've learned in previous sessions and implement it into this design. Marco's group are going to think about the ideas they had before when they were discussing different ways of making buildings environmentally friendly, and then create models of those things using the Lego in the Inspire set. So the loose pieces that you've used for different models, using those pieces to create different models. Maybe they might want to create a building with solar panels on it. Maybe they want to create another roof garden that May and Marco have. Lots of different things that they can create. Now, it might help you to put some pictures up on a screen, stick them up on the wall, have them as some printouts perhaps, or even on the tablets and iPads that they've got for coding. Maybe there are some images there that can help them and inspire them to create models. We really want the children to start using their imaginations as well, because they're very, very used to following instructions when using Lego and following build instructions, which is brilliant. But we also want them to use their imaginations and create ideas and put what they've got in their minds down with Lego into practice, because that's really where the true innovation comes from. So for session 5, we've been learning about these environmentally friendly buildings. And again, as always, really important to note down what they've learned in their engineering notebooks. And it's important to note here that yes, they can write ideas, but also drawing, or maybe they want to use loads of colours to show what they've learned. Maybe they want to take some pictures. Maybe we can print them out and stick them in our engineering notebooks. There are no rules when using these books. It's really what makes the children feel creative and will help them during the process. Once we've got our wind turbines and our different LEGO models, have the children share their ideas with each other and discuss what they've been doing, and then perhaps think about ways that they could make their own homes and maybe even school more environmentally friendly, and ways they could perhaps even put those into practice. As always, please do not hesitate to contact us, and we'd really love to see any pictures or videos or questions you have. We'd really love to see how you're getting on, so please do get in touch. We are on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, our website, and please do contact us on the email address below if you've got any particular questions that you'd like answered. We hope you're enjoying everything so far. We can't wait to see what you've done, and we will see you for session 6.